Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the next generation, the ASUS ROG Phone 4 is here. The best of best in gaming categories. ASUS ROG Phone 5 passes through TENAA, revealing some specification and images. The latest gaming flagship from ASUS inches closer to announcement as the phone passes through China. TENAA revealing some key specification and a couple of images of the incoming smartphone, the ASUS ROG Phone 5. This is maybe just a name because the ASUS ROG Phone 3 is last year launched. Maybe this is just a name, or maybe the ASUS ROG Phone 4 with a model number i005DA will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 latest chipset from a Qualcomm and come with a big 6000 mAh battery, same as last year. This battery will consist of two 3000 mAh batteries, hinting at some super fast charging speed possible for 65-watt charger, which was also mentioned in the phone 3C certification. The triple camera will consist of 64 megapixel main camera, and a backside of the phone will feature a secondary small display. In a previously leaked video, we saw this display in action, showing a preview of the type of incoming notification on the phone. The phone will use 6.78-inch AMOLED screen equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner. There is no word on whether the screen will use FHD Plus or QHD Plus resolution, but the phone is expected to use 144 Hz refresh rate. A teaser poster of the new phone revealed that the phone may be revealed sometime toward the end of March or the mid of April month. Let's talking about the ASUS ROG Phone upcoming smartphone 5. The specification: the TENAA listing show that the ASUS ROG Phone 5 measure 172.84 by 77.2 by 10.2 mm. The device house is massive display 6.78 inch. It seems to be fitted with an AMOLED panel with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. So as you can see on a Vivo, this is the backside images of the ASUS upcoming smartphone. The real camera of ASUS ROG gaming phone 4 is here. This is a number of 5, just on the back is the number 4. Maybe skip it and call it ROG 5 directly. The design language on the back is similar to the ROG Phone 3. The ROG brand logo has been moved to the lower left corner of the back with a 64 million pixel triple camera. The red button in the lower right corner of the fuselage may be a one-click start button to either in-game mode. So this is the latest leaks about the upcoming gaming smartphone, the ASUS ROG Phone 4. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this gaming phone? And also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.